Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhang Xu. Let's look at the problem 60 in chapter 24. Chapter 24 is about capacitance, dielectrics, and electric energy storage. Now we look at this system, right? We know two different dielectrics, K1, K2, fill the space between the planes of parallel planes. And you can see this distance for K1 is D1, distance for K2 is D2. We need to find the equivalent capacitance for this system. Now, how can we do that? We can see this is the first capacitor, right? This is C1. This is another capacitor, C2. And if we connect the battery for this C1 and C2 with a battery, you can see the charges flow through C1 equals the charges flow through C2. Do you agree? So that tells us the C1, C2 is a series connection. Do you agree? Yes. Now it looks like we need to find equivalent capacitance for the two capacitors in series connection. It follows these rules, right? So we can write down the capacitance for C1 in this function, right? And you can see D1 is just half of the distance for these two planes. So D1 is D over 2, right? So it can be simplified in this term. And also the capacitance C2, and we can write it in this function. And their D2 is just half of the distance. So D over 2 and simplified in this term. Now you can see we can input C1 and C2 inside and reorganize it, get a function for the C. Thank you.